So this is just a continuation of your least common denominator. I'll do 3 more examples. So again, list out your denominators. Oops. We have x plus 3, and then we have x squared plus 7x plus 12. So that one I can factor out even more. So we have x plus 4, x plus 3. That's our factored out form. So we can go, in reality, we're using these right here. So as you can see, we have x plus 3, x plus 3. Shared factors are only written once. So we bring down the x plus 3. X plus 4, there's no shared factors, so we can just go ahead and bring it down as well. So your LCM in this case is x plus 3 times x plus 4. So that's we're trying to get our denominators to look like that. So we have x plus 2 over x plus 3. The denominator already has x plus 3, but we want x plus 4 because that's the one that's missing from our LCM. So we need to multiply both top and bottom by x plus 4. So then that gives me x plus 2 times x plus 4 over x plus 3 times x plus 4. And remember, only multiply the numerator. Simplify the numerator. So we get x squared plus 6x plus 8 over x plus 3, x plus 4. So now let's look at our second expression, x plus 1 over x. So this, instead of writing x squared plus 7x plus 12, I'll write out the factored form that I got. So x plus 4, x plus 3. So we don't need anything from to match our LCM because it's already matched up. So these two are our answers. Okay, moving on. This one we have x minus 5 and x squared minus x minus 20. We can factor this one out further. We get x minus 5, x plus 4. So now you can see that they share, well, I'm going to highlight the ones we're working with, and then x minus 5, that's a shared factor, so I only write it down once. And then bring down the rest of your factors, x minus 5 and x plus 4. So that is your LCM. So remember, our denominators have to match the LCM. So we have x minus 5. We're missing x plus 4. So we have to multiply by x plus 4. X plus 4. So we get 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 5 times x plus 4. Remember, only simplify the numerator. So distribute that 2. You get 2x plus 8 divided by your numerator or denominator. So now let's do the second part of that, x minus 1 over, remember this x squared minus x minus 20, we just do it do our factored form in the bottom. That just makes things easier when we match up. And you see it already does match our LCM, so there's no need to do anything else to it. So these two are our answers. They match our denominators. And again, you'll see why we do this once we get with operations such as adding and subtracting. So let's go ahead and finish it off with this last problem. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6, x squared plus 3x plus 2, the denominators. Find the LCM of all denominators. So let's factor it out. We get x plus 3 x plus 2. And this one we get x plus 2, x plus 1. So you see we have x plus 2, x plus 2. Shared factors, only write them out once. So our LCM, x plus 2. And then also write out your remaining factors. So we have x plus 1 and x plus 3. So our LCM is x plus 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. So now let's do that first one. First expression, we have x over, now instead of writing out the x squared plus 5x plus 6, let's do the factor form which we wrote down here, x plus 3, x plus 2. That just makes it easier to see what we're missing from our LCM. So we're missing an x plus 1 from our LCM, so that's what we need to multiply it by. X plus 1, x plus 1. So this one, I'm just going to go ahead and distribute in the same step. So we get x squared plus x over x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 1. So our LCM matches, so we're good there. So let's do the second one now. 2. And again, instead of writing out x squared plus 3x plus 2, we need to go ahead and write the factor form that we wrote over here. X plus 2, x plus 1. So we're missing x plus 3 from our LCM, so that's what we need to multiply it by. So we get 2x plus 6, then write out your factors. X plus 3. So these two are your answers.